Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fabricate Shillong, ringkat bat ka Victorium, ka Dukan Kitiar Kilan Met, ka Babhatam Hakador ka Babit, Hannong Thumai Old Beat House Shillong.
Mr. Speaker, sir, reply to start question 14A. Yes, sir. B. So the following amounts were released on 17th of December 2010. 4 crores 39 lakhs 72,800. On 21st of February 2012, 64 lakhs 3,000. On 7th of September 2012, 45 lakhs 90,315. Total amount 5 crores 49 lakhs 66,150. Reply to C. Sir, the Government of India has utilized the said gifted land for setting up of a Constituent College of Agriculture affiliated to the existing Central Agriculture University, Imphal. Reply to D. Sir, information is being sought. To E. Sir, the Government of Meghalaya on 7th of February 2005 has handed over MEECL land measuring 18 crores, more or less, located at Umktieh to the Central Agriculture University, Imphal, for setting up of a Constituent College of Postgraduate Studies for Agricultural Sciences. To F, reply to F, yes sir. Reply to G, sir, the Government of India has responded by forwarding a copy of statement laid on the table of the House of Parliament for Sabha on 25th of June 2019.
Honourable Speaker, is it true that the Government of India has already sanctioned 5 crores for installation of infrastructure on the sea?
So as of now, the amount that has been given for the infrastructure for the Central Agriculture University is 45.4 crores.
Speaker, sir, may I have a repeat of the reply? How many crores?
45.44 crores.
Honourable Speaker, sir, as per the statement made on the floor of the House, what is the progress of the demand for the state of Imphal to have its own agricultural university?
So we have been pursuing this matter, and we have got the reply from the Government of India a number of times that the Government of India is examining these matters.
Honourable Speaker, sir, since 2019, this matter is pending. May I know, therefore, whether reservation for seats of our own students have been pursued in silo of the inability of the Government of India to resolve this matter tabled in 2019 in the Parliament?
So I just inform the Honourable Member of the House that this matter in fact has been pending not from 2019 but from 2008. It's been more than that, and this has gone through a series of events. And the original proposal came up in 2008. Then after that, in 2009, the Planning Commission also had approved this proposal. In fact, the committee of the Department of Agriculture Research Education had also had visited the sites and inspected it. In fact, in 2010, the DARE and the Secretary of ICR had approved the implemented site. So this has been going on, sir. In fact, even the revised restriction was put in by the DARE. Then the EFC also had cleared this in 2010, 2011. In 2013, in fact, there was an outlay of 300 crores for this project. And in fact, 2015 was the year when there was a proposal to establish this through the Act of Parliament. And further, again, different meetings took place at ICR where certain other observations were made, because of which things started changing. And as per today, sir, the communication to the Government of India is
So, post-bifurcation of the existence in Imphal, we are in the mind of the Bihar government to ensure that we start our own Central Agricultural University at the designated site.
That is what my advice is, that this can only be done when there would be an establishment by an Act of Parliament to be introduced under Entry 64 of the list, to be considered that the proposed CAU is of national interest. Till that is not put up in Parliament, sir, so the establishment of the CAU in the Umktieh area cannot be done, and therefore the question of bifurcation doesn't come till then. But till that time, we as a government have been pursuing this matter at every level. I have written to the Honourable Prime Minister a number of times, the Honourable Agriculture Minister, the Honourable Governor has written to the Honourable Prime Minister and the Agriculture Minister, and also the Honourable Agriculture Minister of the state has written to the Honourable Agriculture Minister. So we are pursuing the matters.
Yes, Honourable Speaker, therefore, may I get an assurance from the Honourable Chief Minister of the Government of Meghalaya to take this up with our Ministry and to make sure that we effectively get our own agricultural university.
Sir, the concerns of the Honourable Member are the same as ours. So we are very much committed to this. This has been something that the government has really wanted and pushed for. And as I mentioned, so this is not just for our state, but the jurisdiction will also cover Nagaland and other regions in the state. So therefore, it's a very, very important project, and as I said, we have been relentlessly following this up with central government. And it's not something that I can give a commitment today that it will be done, but definitely I can assure the House that we will continue to pursue this like we've done in the past also.